Welcome back to I Just Pedal. Today, I'm going to unbox this. This is a 2021 MPC model kit of a 1984 GMC 4x4 pickup. I used to build model kits and stuff years and years ago. I really enjoyed it and I had a lot of fun doing it. So I thought, hey, I can make videos of putting a model car together. Like I mentioned in an earlier video, you can search for anything on YouTube, and so I searched, and wow, there's a lot of people my age and older out there that are doing some pretty awesome things with these model kits. The stuff they are doing makes me feel overwhelmed. So overwhelmed that I thought, I'm not going to make videos of me putting a model together. Then I figured, hey, why not? I can use the things that I've seen these other guys do and apply it to my model building. And then as I progress, maybe my models will look as good as theirs. So look at the price of that model. $30. I used to pay $7.99 at Walmart, but then again, that was years and years ago. And the only place around here you can really buy a model kit is Hobby Lobby. But they did have a good discount going on during the holiday, so I bought a couple of them. So it wasn't all that bad. Well, let's open this thing up and see what it is. I haven't even opened it up, honest. I'm taking the plastic off of it. All I know is it's molded in white and has chrome wheels. Okay. Let's open it up. Okay, I went ahead and got everything out of the plastic. That's too messy trying to do all that on camera. Right here's the decals that come with it. I'm not a big decal person, but I might use some of these. And here's the body. You know, truck in the bed. I am wondering, like on this right here, I don't understand that. I don't ever recall that being on a bed of one of these trucks. So I don't know what it is. And here's the interior. Nothing big on that. Little flashing right there. Seen a lot of flashing on some of these parts. Here's the tires. Those Desert Dog Formula tires. And here's the chrome wheels for them. Those or these. There's a lot of chrome parts here, you know, valve covers and lights, and probably de-chrome some of this stuff. And here's the frame, got a rear tire on there, and here's your inner fender wheels for the front. Here's the front and rear axles. Here's the engine and the heads, and looks like it's even got some regular old valve covers right there. And the headers on there, and got the even stock exhaust on it. Looks like it's got some radiator hoses on it. That's pretty good detail there. I'll just have to figure out what I'm gonna do when I'm putting them together. Here's some more parts. Looks like that front bumper guard right there. Some shocks. Looks like we got a transfer case right here. Your exhaust system, mufflers, stuff like that. Here's some more parts. Looks like the inside of the wheels there. And just here's some shocks. More shocks here, I guess. Tailgate. Here's the hood and the seats. And it looks like the firewall and the dash and the steering wheel. And here's the roll bar, and it looks like a starter or something, I don't know. Then what I guess this here's that front deluxe bull bar. Don't know if I'm gonna put that on there or not. And of course the tail lights and the windows. And it did come with some instructions. I'm glad it did that. And a little color code chart there on what color to paint items. But I don't usually go by the color chart on these instructions. I just kind of do what I think is good. When I used to build these models, I used to try to build them to look as realistic as I could. These other guys out here are making their cars look really real. So I guess I'll eventually make my model kits look like theirs. Don't really know what color I'm going to paint the body on this. I always wanted one of these trucks. Actually around the 84 year. I really like that style. I always wanted a red one, but I don't know. Just have to figure out what I'm gonna do. Got to think of the colors that I'm gonna do and how I'm gonna build this. It's probably gonna take a few videos of me putting this together because, you know, you gotta wait for paint to dry and glue to dry and that kind of stuff. So just can't make one big long video of it. It would be a 3-day long video. I don't know. Well, I guess it's time for me to get started on this. I'll be sharing updates as I go along. So be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and ring that bell. And see ya!